I'm going to show you how to fix Rocket League freezing on PC. So let's start and make sure to follow my steps. Firstly, you should go to the Windows search bar, type in Device Manager, make sure to open it. Now this window will pop up. So all you have to do, just look for display adapters. After that, click on the side right here. You will find most likely two options available, your integrated graphics card and your NVIDIA or AMD. Select the second, which is NVIDIA or AMD. Right click, after that select update driver. Now select search automatically for drivers. After that you need to click on close. Next go to the search again and type in NVIDIA this time. Now this NVIDIA app will be already displaying like this. If you don't find it for some reason, it's one of these two options. Either you have an AMD graphics card, that way you should see the AMD driver. The second option is you did not install the application from the official website. So go to the official website of NVIDIA. After that make sure to download the application and set it up and come back here and open this application. When it opens it will be like this. So firstly you need to log in and sign up with your account. After that go to drivers, the second option. You will be redirected right here. So make sure to select this button in the right, which will be download or install. After that you choose between custom or express installation as you like and click on continue to initiate the process. Now for the next and last step, you just need to go to the Windows taskbar. Click on this upside arrow. After that look for the launcher that you have the game on, which is Epic Games for me. Right click on it and select exit. After that wait for a moment, go to the empty space right here. Right click on it and select task manager. Now once this pop up, go to the search and type in exactly the same launcher that you did terminate. If you do find it, make sure to select it, right click on it and then click on end task. And that's it. Now you should try launching the game again and the freezing issues should be gone. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.